Hey guys, welcome back. Today, if you were wondering, yes, I do know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so now I'm actually in my backyard now. We got the Rubik's Cube. You're gonna want to make the white face. So just do whatever you can and try to get the white face like this, where it's white. And I'll actually let you go step by step by that. And so if you only have one, it's better to have two, but I don't have two. You got one. And then there's one white right here. So we're gonna push this backwards. Now you have two here. And this is where it gets tricky. This one right here and two up here. Right here, up here. This is where this one is supposed to go. So we're actually gonna flip it over so white is on bottom and go up, over, down. And now you have three. And then you're gonna want to put this one below where it is already. And then it depends on how the white is facing, but on this one you would go down, over, up. And now you have these. Don't worry about if all of these are ready yet. You will get to that at the end. And now, you most likely will just have one. So put the yellow in the bottom left. So where the yellow is facing to your left shoulder if you're right-handed. And go up, over, down, over, up, over, over, down. And now you have two. And then you're just going to keep doing that until you have two. There. Now we have all of these up here and all of these down here. And then so I want to get it here. You want to make it to where two bars are up here and two are down here. It doesn't matter if they're the same color. They can be the same color. But then how you're going to want to do it is, actually no, wait, here. Let's just say you didn't have two bars. Then how you're going to do it is go down, bottom left, down, bam, bam, up, over, up. And then you should most likely have bars. And now that we have bars here, you're going to go up two, and then make the one on top, turn it over. I'll be quiet, crows. And then you're going to put this over here and push it down. And then you will end up with all the colors here, which is orange right here. And then most likely you'll end up with this, where these four aren't right. So then you're going to have the orange to your left, and then the right, the red in this example is right here. So then you're going to go up, over, down, up, over, down. No, wait. Over, down, over, up, over, down, over. And then you solved it. I hope this video helped you guys learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you guys in the next one.